Bro, why is my mom always outside? Where is she? What's she doing now? Hi, Mom.
Hey.
I've been wanting to ask you about this one thing. But first I want to know, like, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm just looking at these trees. It looks like we have to cut down.
Dang.
It's gonna cost money.
Yeah, can I get a BMW? 'Cause, you know, I am 16. It's about that time.
To do what?
To get a BMW.
That time to get a car or BMW?
I mean, a BMW is a car, so the same thing.
Listen, you and your funny, passive, aggressive attitude. I'm asking you, do you need a car or do you need a BMW? Which one?
I need a car, but I want a BMW as a car.
Hey! I mean, every week you have some kind of things that you want to tell me. What do you need a BMW for?
So I can go vroom, 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 ga, ga, ga.
Okay.
So I can, you know, cut up in the highway.
Listen, you barely have enough experience with driving, right?